FM ay aking best friend. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get to it, I know we could break through it. I gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing whatever we've got going. And it seems at times with all we've got, we haven't got a prayer. Times never last for long. Where are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it.
Song was brought to you by Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
That song was brought to you by Our Shop General Merchandise. Presyong pangkaibigan.
IFM ay aking best friend.
Eto na ang IFM Hugot Scoop.
Hatid na ni Madam Inday ang iyong mga kapalaran na aking hinimas-himas mula sa aking bolang kristal. Sagittarius, Be like a princess in a world full of mistress. Huwag magpiling, huwag damdamin. Ito'y pawang gabay lamang para sa iyong nagugulumihan ng isipan.
Saan ka makakahanap ng maximum fluoride protection na 50% mas mura? Unique toothpaste na! It's your toothpaste at your price.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo sa toothpaste na nito. 4, 5, 6, nagkamali sa pagtikim.
Ayon sa research, 6 out of 10 Filipinos cannot tell the difference between Unique and the leading brand.
Leading brand ang akala, Unique toothpaste pala.
Gaya ng leading brand, ang Unique nagbibigay din ng maximum fluoride protection, fresh breath at healthy gums at approved din ng Philippine Dental Association. Pero ang Unique up to 50% more affordable.
Kaya sa Unique ka na mag-at masabon sa
Unique, it's your toothpaste at your price.
Unique toothpaste. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Saan ka makakahanap ng maximum fluoride protection na 50% mas mura? Unique toothpaste na! It's your toothpaste at your price.
Hapdi ba sa kutis ang gamit mong sabon? Hindi yan safe sa balat. Try New Placenta Soap by Samstre, made of active plant extracts. New Placenta is effective for skin whitening and anti-aging. Now, with Advanced Placenta Care Formula, ito'y siguradong mabisa, safe sa kutis, and endorsed by Stephanie and EJ Falcon. New Placenta by Samstre, siguradong makinis ang kutis na walang hapdi. New Placenta by Samstre, tatak Samstre ang tunay na placenta.
Gusto mo ba ng malinis, mapagkakatiwalaan at magandang serbisyo sa iniinom mong tubig? Mag-Agua Fresca ka na! Agua Fresca passes through 21 stages like reverse osmosis, germicidal light, and carbon filter. Agua Fresca has also free and fast delivery. Just call 529-5155 or text 0921-5767380. Agua Fresca Purified Drinking Water is located at Amado Street, Taguban City. Owned by Alfonso Villamil and managed by Miss Edna Pedroso Villamil. Mag-Agua Fresca ka na!
Brad, naghahanap ka ba ng ganyan? O ganito? Panghagod sa pagod mo. Monroe Bar, cozy and homey style of relaxing. Sa Monroe Bar, lagi kang gising with very accommodating guest relation officers. Just for you, sirs, Monroe Bar has wide parking space, kaya lahat ng barkada pwedeng isama. Monroe Bar at number 50, Bucaucan Road, Baguio City. Monroe Bar, ang number 1 bar sa Baguio City. Chill with the store at Monroe Bar. See you in Baguio.
Anong oras na?
Ay, 2:01 na.
That Time Check was brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. May laban ka!
That Time Check was brought to you by Columbia. Happy 80th year anniversary to Columbia International Food Products Incorporated.
Uy, bago mag-perfect Christmas. Siyempre, Dear IFM muna, balikan natin yung kwento nitong si best friend Victoria. Nakakalungkot naman yung kwento niya. Ayoko na mga ganun nga. Yung mga kwentong sad ending. I always wanted to have happy ending. Kaya lang, paano mangyayari yun kapag ikaw mismo hindi ka gumagawa ng paraan para magkaroon ng happy ending, di ba? This afternoon, subukan mo sagutin yung tanong natin. Hanapin mo sa ating Facebook account. Hanapin mo pala ako, Tita Ronnie. Ano ka? As of this moment, ano ka ba ngayon? Umaasa o umasa? Ay, nako. Dalawang klaseng tao yan. Si Victoria before, siya yung letter sender natin. Umaasa siya. Umaasa siya na magkaroon siya ng boyfriend. Ay, kaya lang syempre dahil tumatanda na rin, panahon na rin para siya mag-asawa, hindi na lang basta boyfriend ang hanap niya. Habi! Doon siya nag-fall sa umaasa. At kagaya ng mga kwento, ay, sad ending yung part ng kwento niya dahil umasa siya. Sakit! Yung mga best friends natin na gusto sagutin ang tanong natin, umasa o umaasa? Ganun naman daw kasi pag nagmamahal ka, pumili ka doon. Umaasa o umasa? Pero basta alam mo, best friend, na ikaw ay nasa katwiran, why not? Push! Hanggang sa mapatunayan mo sa sarili mo na this is it. Wala talagang mangyayari. Sinubukan ko. At least, diba, walang walang sayang na salita. Kasi you tried it. Rather than binasted ka sa umpisa, tas magrereklamo ka na wala namang katuturan kasi you never tried it, diba? Ganun yung kay Victoria. Trinay niya muna, pero hindi nag-work wala Pinilit niya, kaso wala talaga At least, at the end of the story, napatunayan niya na there was really an us. Hanggang friends lang talaga. Ayoko ng ganun. Yung magkakaroon ako ng boyfriend, di ko nakikita. Ayoko. Yung boyfriend sa text lang, boyfriend sa chat, ayoko. Ikaw ba, best friend, gusto mo yon? Para ka lang si Victoria. Sagutin mo naman yung tanong natin, 0949-614306. Yan yung aking text line. Madami-dami nang sumagot, kaya Sige, mamaya basahin ko. Eto na. Balikan natin yung kanta natin kanina mula kay Jose Marichan, A Perfect Christmas.
Amor es Tita Ronnie.
My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party or dinner for two. Anywhere would do. Celebrating the Yuletide season always lights up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they're shared with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December. Sparkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air. By the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can't think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about twinkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air. By the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can't think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas is spending it with you.
Pabanguhan ng detergent with Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride. Pride with Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Increase your market share and revenues with Bitstop Network Services, where we help you lower your cost of acquiring new clients. With BNS, you can deploy tried and tested strategies that leverage the power of the internet that is proven to work for businesses like yours. Call BNS at 6375-522-5089 for a free online conference to find out more about how our innovative web solutions can help you succeed.
Lahat ng hanap mo nasa R-Shop General Merchandise sa Best Friend. Affordable dito ang kitchenwares, plasticwares, glasswares, Eurotech foams, blankets, curtains, towels, umbrellas, at hindi rin sila magpapahuli sa mga appliances dahil meron silang Standard, Hanabishi, Micromatic at Eureka appliances. Sa R-Shop General Merchandise, dito presyong pangkaibigan at